Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Once again, it's me, Unique Designs by Latanya. And today I want to talk about some products that I do on a daily basis with my Etsy shop. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video because I have lots of goodies that you guys can go over on my Etsy shop and see that I do. I will have videos that I am going to put out in the future on some of the things that I do. I think I have a video out where I was showing you guys how I do a bling glass. If not, I will give you a little clipping of it to see if I have gave you guys. I don't know if I have shown you. I don't know. But if I didn't, I will show you a little clipping on it in this video. If not, then if I did do a video, which I think I have, please go over and see that. I will link it at the bottom if I did do one. With that being said, welcome to all my new subscribers that's coming in on here. This channel here, we do lots of things on this channel. We do home decor, we do crafting, I would love to have a Q&A with you guys. Once I get some more subscribers up, we can talk about life things and things that goes on in my life and yours. Questions that you want to know about businesses and stuff like that, because I am just a new starter of starting a business, and it's a lot to learn, it's a lot of work and things like that. So with that being said, make sure you research everything that you do when it comes to a small business. For my subscribers that have been rocking with me from day one, thank you, and welcome back. But like I said, I have a few items here that I would love to show you that I do. And listen, I do some of everything. I do wreaths, I do door signs, I do swags, I do body butter, I did candles. I'm still learning about candles, so I am still getting information on the candles. So when I do put out a video, you can see how I do the candles. Right now I'm doing a lot of research on candles and stuff like that. So I want the fragrance to smell like really over your whole house. One candle should do a great big area, and that's what I'm trying to learn, the ingredients. But my small business, I'm about to show you guys a few things that I do. And if you like, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and make sure you go check out my Etsy page under Unique Designs by Tanya. You will see lots of great things over there, guys. I'm waiting on a machine I am going to get where I will be selling my own DTF designs. And the difference between the hack and that is the DTF designs come with the white backing already. That's with the machine. So that's what I am doing now. This one here, a guy made for me, and he did an awesome job. And basically I buy the DTFs for the dark colors because I can do my DTF on my sublimation machine. I can do that in light colors, so and it comes out great. But these here I will be doing on my own. I did pin up with someone that does this, and he does an amazing job. Whatever I send him, he can do it. And he always asks me the size of the shirt, you know, what am I doing, and he knows the measurements. Sometimes I'll send him a measurement if I want it real large, and sometimes I don't. I know my camera is trying to focus us in, maybe because I'm moving a lot of stuff around. But I love this one. Fat Tuesday. This is the Mardi Gras things that's for Mardi Gras Day that's coming. So I have a lot of Mardi Gras DTFs over there, and the ones that I can make every day, whatever designs you send me, but on my color shirts. That's the only thing about that hack. I be trying to tell everybody, don't nobody explain that. They comes out great on white shirts, your DTF hacks. Color shirts, whatever's white, I'm sorry, guys. Whatever's white is going to come out the color that you put on a color shirt. But anything that's white on a white shirt is going to come out exactly like how it is on the paper. So those are things that I do far as my DTF on clothing wise and things like that. But if it's something that you want done, believe me, just send it to me, message to me, and I will get it done for you guys if I cannot do it. If you want it on a dark color shirt for right now, I can do it on a HVT print. I do have paper for that, but that's just that white sheet where you can print something on it in your inkjet and you can put it on a shirt. But it doesn't give you the quality like this one. And I'm getting ready to show you a DTF sweatshirt in the dark colors with that DTF white backing. Now this is how that turned out with the white backing, guys. See how that looks? Came exactly like it is on a paper. And that's what I mean by the dark colors will show up on the dark colors on the DTF print that I have someone make. It comes out exactly like it's supposed to on dark colors. So now, and this is a shirt, a t-shirt that I have where I did the same thing. And see, you can tell that came from a DTF machine, guys. Not the hack. That is come from someone making that for me. Transfers is what they call them. If you hear any tapping, guys, that's my little furry friend, my little baby. He's here with me inside today, and it's raining outside, and he's tapping around. I think he's ready to go outside. Now we're going to talk about sublimation, guys. Sublimation. And these are designs. I have so many designs already made up. These are designs that I do on tumblers and shirts if you really like it for a shirt too. But these are tumblers. And here are some of my tumblers that I do. This is a Coach tumbler in the black and gold, guys. And these are the ones with the handles for the purse. But this one here, I didn't make it long enough for the handle. I just like it to be there. But I have one over there where you can carry it like a purse. And that is this one here. And I do these. And here are some more. I do teams. If whatever college you like, I do any NFL you like, tumblers. This is for St. Patrick's Day. And I do have a coffee mug to match it. And I do have a shirt to match it. So I do bling coffee mugs, and I do blinged out. You can put a print on it, and I do put bling on some of the things that's on there to bring it out even more. So if you like that, here go a Mardi Gras cup that I have done. And the colors are vibrant, guys. It comes out amazing. Amazing. And this is the 3D. I love the 3D. This is like one of my favorite cups. I have a couple over there that's in the 3D, but this is my favorite. I think that is so beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, beautiful. Love it, guys. These are my bling wine glasses. This is a St. Patrick's Day glass. I was just waiting on someone to get it, which someone has got it, and I'm going to put something St. Patrick's on the in the vinyl on the side. But this is a St. Patrick's Day wine glass, guys, and this is my bling glass. I do the tip and I do the blinged out, and I can do them in any designs, and I can put on there as long as it'll fit. You know, I'll let you know if it'll fit or not when you send me something in. But hold on, guys. Let me let him out and I'll get back with you guys. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. I had to let him out. It's his morning stroll and all of that. He got to go around the perimeter and make sure it's safe out there. Some more bling things that I do. I just talked about bling glasses, wine glass. I do the small ones too without the stem on them. I do faces on those. I do anything that's, that will fit on here. I do them. I put names. I do birthday glasses, all kinds of good stuff. The wine glasses. I'm sorry, guys. I haven't been putting it up so you guys can see it. I hope it's focusing right. Let's see. But I do all that. And then my favorite, which I have quite a few. I got one over there, got Country Girl on it. But I love to bling out. Look at that. That's all bling there. Love it. And I do the whole thing. I do, this one is so wore out. I had this for a while, but I do mouse pads. I do coasters, earrings. I have been doing a lot of earrings for football and basketball season. I have been doing a lot of that. I do, like I said, sublimation. If you sublimate on tumblers, it's nothing that you can't put on there. So don't think that, hey, if you don't see it on my shop, that I cannot do it. I can do pretty much anything on a tumbler. All you have to do is message me, hey, can you put this on the tumbler? Yeah. The answer going to be yes. So I mean, as long as I can get the design, or I can design it, excuse me, as long as I can design it or anything, then I can put it on there. I do wreaths and I do welcome boards. I just did one. I will put a couple pictures up after this video. I'm going to show you of a lot of things that I do. I got a lot of pictures. I will show you at the end that you can see that I do. But the thing about the wreaths and the welcome boards, the swags, the mailbox signs and stuff, I do ship everything. I ships. I will let you know how much shipping is if it's not on my shop. If I don't have it on there, if it's not on there. The welcome boards I haven't put on there yet because they are heavy and I have to find a packaging to send those and without them being damaged. So most of the time people just want the mailbox signs and the door swags. I do the door swags and the regular round wreaths. I do all the way up from a 24-inch, I think it's 24, 15, a 10-inch little round one. So I do any of those wreaths. So, but if the measurements are wrong, I will put them out on the page and let you know what size those are. But like I said, this is not going to be the first, and it's not going to be this is the first, but it won't be the last video that I do show you my products and everything. But like I said, I use these are the plain glasses that I do, and these sublimation tumblers, these are the blank ones that I do, and I put, like I said, and then voila, I put the print on them. So just make sure, right, when you, like I said, if it's something you like to see, or even if you need more than multiple wine glasses, and even with the wine glasses, guys, take in consideration that I have to put each one on by itself. So if you want like 15 wine glasses, you're not going to get them in 3 to 5 days. It probably will take me, like I just did a bundle for a wedding party of 10. She gave me, well, actually the wedding ain't even until the end of March. And I just sent hers off. She sent that order in January. January the 3rd, she was on it. So I just sent all of those off for her wedding party. And she was, oh my gosh, she told me, I want to get some more. But just for like a girl's thing, but I do all kind of glasses, guys. So, but I just wanted to give you guys this video just to show you things behind the scenes that I do. And I'm not quite sure you can see all the tumblers, wine glasses back there that I do have, just sitting here for display. These are all displays that I showed you guys, but I do make to order. I do not just sell you stuff off of there unless some people come in here and like, no, you ain't got to make that. Give me that. No, I like to make to order. You know, get your fresh cut, fresh, clean it, and get it all to you nice and clean and safe. So just understand that I do bling shirts too. I do bling shirts, sweatshirts, jogging suits. I thought I had some bling shirts back there, but I don't have any. I got them all packed up, so I will show you in the next video some of the bling shirts that I do, because those are I love those bling shirts. They so you can dress them up with anything. So I do love those blings. I'm trying to do more stints, which is it's like a fabric, vinyl fabric fold. I'm trying to do more designs and get out more designs on those instead of some of the basics designs and letters. I got one of a face, but I want to do some I want to get deep with it. So I am looking into someone that does things that could send me like a pattern, and or do it for me if they can. But my Cricut machine does it, so I don't have a problem with it. It does a great job when it's making the holes for the rhinestones to go in. It does a great job. So, but guys, I hope you like this video. It's just things that I just wanted to show you of what I do with my little business, the things that I do have. It is a small business. And if you guys want to just go and head over there and check out the things, because like I said, this is not even half of the stuff that you will see on that page. It's so much other stuff over there, and it's so much other stuff I need to put on there that I do. It's people that want me to do their canvas because they see, I mean, I do canvas, pictures, abstract pictures and stuff people be wanting me to do. I do table centerpieces that people love. So it's quite a few things that I do that I probably will show you on this channel. But as of right now, this video is about my little small business. So I hope you liked the video. I hope I didn't bore you guys. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, like my channel. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when I have upcoming videos. And make sure you share. I would love for you guys to share and let everyone else know some of the things I do out here and some of the videos. And go back into my videos and see all my other videos. Those are my startup videos. I think I'm going to do a lot better this year. And ongoing, every year I get better at the things that I do. So I love it. But I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, thank you and toodles to the next time, guys. Bye bye.